Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to my channel, I am Ysay and in my channel, I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials and hauls every Thursdays. So if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to click that notification bell to keep you updated on my recent uploads. So for today's video, as you can see, I have nothing on my face right now, so I'm gonna do a full face tutorial using my drugstore makeup products that I have bought lately or recently. So first off, I have nothing on my face, just I'm quite oily because it's hot right now. And just a little update, I'm already 35 weeks pregnant, so anytime I'm ready to pop. So I'm just filming, and yeah, so without further ado, let me go straight to our tutorial. To start off, I'm gonna spray my face using the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. So this is the mist. I'm just gonna shake it and spray all over my face to add some moisture. And then I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've been reaching this one for quite some time now, so I'm just gonna use my hand to put it on my face. Next is my all-time favorite foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear. So I've been purchasing this every time I run out of this. So this is my go-to foundation. This is in the shade 455. So this one also, this is the shade, and I'm using my e.l.f. sponge. So I'm just gonna dip my sponge and just dab it over my face. Just dab, dab, dab. And I'm gonna use probably my e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. Mostly I've been using e.l.f. products. Just put this under the eye. Concealer. And you can, this is also a good product too, the e.l.f. concealer. So I'm just gonna dab it using my sponge. As you can see, it has a very good coverage concealer, and it's not cakey, very lightweight on the face. So continue with the dabbing motion and spread over the neck I mean. Next, I am taking my powder brush and using my e.l.f. Beauty Shield Antioxidant Armored Setting Powder. This is how it looks like. It has a lot of products. Gonna dip my brush and just dab it all over my face to set in our foundation. So next that I'm gonna do is I'm taking my angle brush. This is, I think, the Sigma brush. And the recent purchase that I have is from Wet n Wild bronzer. It is the Color Icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil. So this is the bronzer. This was on sale. I also showed this to you guys in my recent haul, so we're gonna try it. And with my angle brush, I'm gonna dip it and just contour my face. Next is the blush. So let's try this one, the NYX Ombre Blush. This is how it looks like with a mirror. And I'm taking my blush brush, Real Techniques. This is my favorite brush. Dipping it. It's a nice pink ombre. So see, let's put it on. You can see a little difference. And I'm gonna pick this one, my Japanese brush. Just gonna do a highlight on my upper part of my cheeks using the NYX Illuminator. Just dab a little and just dab it on top of your cheeks. Next that we're gonna do is our eyebrows. So I think I'm gonna use this one, the L'Oreal Micro Ink Pen Brow Stylist. This is how it looks like, and this is the tip, as you can see. So I'm done with my eyebrows, so I just use my L'Oreal ink pen, micro ink pen. This is very good when you're in a hurry or when you just want a 5-minute makeup or whatever. It sculpts your eyebrows really fast. And I also just did brush it with my e.l.f. Wow Brow to finish up the eyebrows. And then our next step will be our eyeshadow. So I'm gonna use this Rimmel magnifying, Ice Jewel Rocks edition. This is how it looks like. This is also a drugstore brand. It is a very nice color story. Prime my eyes using this e.l.f. Putting Eye Primer that I got. Get the product and just dab it over my lids. Using this brush. So guys, this is the final look. I just put on my eyeliner and my fake eyelashes. The one that I used for my lashes is the one from La Flare. It has two fake eyelashes included, and yeah, it says it's 100% human hair and easy to apply, and it's very dramatic. I like it. Yeah, So it has also at the back instructions and how to use, and I just got it from Winners for $4 too. So I'm gonna also include this on my haul for my next video. So yeah, I like it. I like the eyelashes, and this is the look, the final look. And to finish up, I used also my Wet n Wild lipstick. This is how it looks like, a drugstore brand, and this is the shade. Yeah, I like the shade color of the lipstick. Very affordable and inexpensive makeup lipstick. Lipsticks. So yeah, this is the final look using all my drugstore makeup. Usually more that I used are the e.l.f. products, which I've been using lately. So yeah, I hope you like the look. Please let me know in the comments down below on what you think of the look that I have created using also this eyeshadow palette from Rimmel. It is a good product too, very pigmented. Some of the shadows have fall off, especially the green one. So yeah, but the rest are very pigmented and very nice product too as well. So this is all for my video today. I hope you like the look that I have created. Please don't forget to comment down below on what you think. I just want to know your thoughts about the look, or thoughts about if you have this palette or this the products that I have purchased or used for today's video. Let me know how it works for you guys. I would really love to hear from you and read your comments, and I would very happily reply on your comments as well. So yeah, if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell to keep you updated. I upload my videos, makeup tutorials every Thursday, so don't miss my videos, okay? So I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for tuning in. See you on my next video. Bye guys!